Hello and welcome back to MX Decor, your home for the latest interior and decor inspiration. In today's video, we will be looking at modern staircase design ideas that can transform your home into something truly stylish and elegant. Staircases are not just a way to move between floors, they can become a statement piece that enhances the overall character of your space. So let's get started. One of the most trending style today is the floating staircase. These steps are mounted to the wall or supported underneath to give the illusion of floating in mid-air. They create a clean, minimal and modern vibe. Pairing them with glass railing enhances the open feel and allows more natural light to flow through the room. If you love sleek and simple design, this is the perfect choice. Glass railing staircases are ideal for contemporary homes. They make the space look more open, airy, and luxurious. You can combine glass railings with either wooden steps for warmth or with the marble or steel for a bold, modern look. This design works especially well in smaller homes and apartments because it avoids visual clutter. Wooden staircases never go out of style, but in modern interiors, the finish is smooth, clean, and minimal. Light tone wood such as oak or ash gives a Scandinavian touch, while dark walnut adds richness and elegance. You can also highlight the staircase by adding warm LED strip lighting under each step for a dramatic high-end look. A spiral staircase is great for homes with limited space. Modern spiral designs are elegant and space-saving, available in materials like wood, metal, or even concrete. The shape itself becomes a piece of art in your home. Whether placed in a corner or used in a centerpiece, spiral staircase adds movement, style, and dimensions to the interior. If you are going for an industrial or modern urban look, consider a staircase with a metal frame. Black steel combined with wooden or stone treads creates a bold and stylish contrast. This design is durable and suits both small and large spaces. It's perfect for modern lofts or open plan homes. In smaller homes, you can use the space under the stairs wisely. A staircase with built-in cupboard drawers, bookshelves, or even in mini display units or reading nooks add both style and practicality. This design is incredibly useful and makes the most of every inch of space. Lighting can completely change how a staircase looks. LED strips placed under the steps or along the railing creates a soft glow that enhances safety and add elegance. It looks stunning at night and makes the staircase a focal point even when the rest of the room is minimal. Your staircase can be much more than a connecting structure. It can be highlight of the interior design. Whether you prefer floating steps, sleek glass railing, warm wooden tones, or artistic spiral shapes, there's modern staircase style to match your style and home's layout. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to MX Decor for more stylish home decor ideas. Comment below and tell us which staircase design was your favorite. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.